Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your go-to place to expose shady products and spot the truth behind trendy online deals. Today, we're looking at a hot product making waves on social media, the Shedley Sweep Pro Pet Grooming Kit. Is it the real deal for managing pet hair or just another hyped-up gimmick? Let's find out. So what exactly is the Shedley Sweep Pro? According to their website and flashy ads, it's a pet grooming device designed to remove excess fur, reduce shedding, and keep your home fur-free. It claims to be quiet, easy to use, and perfect for both cats and dogs with any fur type. But here's the big question. Is it as effective as they make it sound? After digging through customer reviews on independent platforms, not just their website, opinions are mixed. Some pet owners say it works well for short-haired breeds and helps reduce fur on couches and carpets. But others report poor suction, cheap plastic material, and overheating within minutes. A few even mentioned that the product took over 3 weeks to arrive and came without proper instructions. And worse, returns? Practically impossible without multiple follow-ups. Here's what raised our eyebrows. No verified company background. The brand has no physical address or customer support phone number listed. Many images and video ads appear generic, possibly taken from other grooming products available on Amazon or AliExpress. That doesn't mean it's a total scam, but it does make the purchase riskier than they admit. So, is Shedley Sweep Pro worth buying? If you're okay experimenting with a mid-tier grooming gadget and don't mind taking a gamble, it might work. But if you're looking for reliability, strong suction, and actual customer support, you're better off going with established brands like Furminator or Pet Lab. Final advice? Be cautious. Read reviews outside their website. Thanks for watching. If you've used Shedley Sweep Pro or had a different experience, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, where we help you spend smarter and safer online. See you in the next video. Thank you.